Hello everyone. The following video is a classic Yandere, so please be advised that it may contain some dark material that I do not condone in real life. This is made for entertainment purposes only, and beware of the volume. This video is not fully an ASMR video, leaning more towards roleplay and voice acting. Furthermore, this is a response to the previous 10K special survey. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy! Come on out. You know I hate your game of hide and seek because you're just so bad at it. You start with unreasonable reasons, making me chase you. Who told you you could run away? And please, don't make me angry. You know how bad I can be. So come out before I choose the later option. Oh, just where could you be? Please, don't be scared of me. Why would someone as innocent and harmless as me be scary? Whatever you do, just don't jump out of the window, okay? The mansion's security system might just shoot you down, and we don't want that to happen. I know, you'd like to be alive, so be aware. Don't try touching anything you're not supposed to. Is that sobbing I hear? Don't cry, my dear. You knew she had to go. You knew that very well. You shouldn't have cheated on me with a stupid, low-ranking human. Please, werewolves are supposed to have a single soulmate, and that's it. We are loyal to our partners. We love them so much, we'd do anything for them. So why can't you understand my feelings? Is it because you're human? I was shocked at first to find out my pet was a human, but I accepted you regardless. And you were so sweet, so pure. We went on the most fun dates at the arcade. You showed me around your neighborhood, a very beautiful one. I was adapting very fine. I even met your parents. Sweet, but quite traditional people. They loved me. So, why can't you continue to love me? Can't we go back to those beautiful moments? Why must you be scared of me? Why? Is it because I have an extra pair of ears and tail? It's not like I have fur all over my body. It's not like my legs are wolf legs and my teeth are razor sharp. I merely heal faster, live longer, and have cute fluffy ears and a tail. How come you're so scared of me? You should know, ever since the demons came crawling up to Earth, this was bound to happen. Our takeover was always meant to be. It was destined. Why are you so scared of me? I pose no threat to you. You fear me so much that you didn't talk to me for a total of 3 days, 18 hours, 55 minutes and 13 seconds counting. With a simple text, I'm busy. Ghosting me now. I thought we were progressing so well. Why must I catch you red-handed, dear? Cheating on me with the stupid moron? Oh no, I know exactly what you're thinking. Don't you try to make an excuse. The way you looked at that lowlife's eyes, the spark you two had, how could I not be jealous? I'm still your girlfriend. I was meant to be the one you saw. I'm the only one you're supposed to see. Even heaven had matched us two. So why are you resisting? Why? Why would you go on a date with that girl at the library? Oh, but I'm very kind, and I give second chances. So I'll let you off with that. But you saw my calmness as a signal to date her again at the library, using that stupid repetitive excuse of, oh, it was just an assignment. I checked, dear. I checked well and through. Your upcoming assignment isn't a month away. And given your past assignments, you don't need to meet up twice to plan. On average, it has been one session in the library typically, with more than just a single girl. I know exactly what you're thinking. Open the door, dear. You know you've been caught red-handed. Oh, but darling, it was so obvious. I saw you two hug. That intense level of intimacy. Well, she approached you with her dirty claws. I was so proud of you for pushing her away slightly at first. But then you hugged her back. Why? That's when I knew she had to pay. You can't contact her a third time. She was an enemy of ours anyways. She was a witch. A witch that supported for the humans to continue to thrive on this earth. Have you not seen the damage humans have done? With our control, we would dispose of those that are not worthy to be alive. We will recycle those who can stay. Oh, what did you expect? I am not someone to be dealt with easily either. Haven't you known? I'm loyal. I was always loyal. So I expect the same in return. If you were someone else, I would have slit your throat already. But dear, I love you, and you know that. I love you so sincerely. As much that I would even push my own boundaries for you. So I'm giving you a second chance. But look at you. You're hiding from me. We are a door apart. Why bother locking it? Do you enjoy this game of predator and prey? Well then, amuse me with your hiding skills, because they seem to be as weak as a rabbit's. You've always sucked at horror games. So come with me. Try it out once in real life. I bet you're bound to fail. Oh, I'll let you have your fun. I'll wait for you to change your hiding place. I'll give you 10 minutes. But in return, if I catch you, you must promise to not ever look at another female being again. Don't make me jealous. Don't waste my time taming a partner rather than continuing my plan of taking over human society. Oh yes, you heard me right. We are so close. We have planted spies everywhere. After all, you know, we werewolves look just like humans. We can hide our ears and tails. But truly, there are so-called monsters like me. Humans have violated the ecosystem too much. They are to be punished. Oh, but you know, I sincerely love your existence. So I was looking for a peace treaty, till the humans rejected us completely. Oh yes, dear, your governments know us well enough. So I hope you're ready. It'll be a huge U-turn. This world will be ours, and as Alpha, Captain, Head, whatever you humans like to call us, I'll be running the game. I'll be one of the most powerful person. So, why not come with me, submit, and just give up this game of hide and seek? If you come out, I won't punish you. But if you don't, not only do you have to align with my previous requirements, but you'll also be really restrained of your freedom. And I'm pretty sure humans love their freedom. They adore it. I can't have some human rebel in the future try to take you over. By the way, before we start this little game, I hope to let you know this mansion that you decided was the perfect place to hide is mine. Yes, that's right. This is my home, my property. Oh, you thought I was a little poor girl living on the streets, living off a cafe job. Oh, truthfully, dear, I own the whole franchise of cafes. Those stores I've been so-called working at to get money. Oh, darling, I own every one of them. This mansion you're in is also mine. Great selection of hiding location, all but the easier for me. I know every spot of this area. Well, it seems like you don't plan on opening the store. Let's have some fun. Your 10 minutes starts now. Thank you for staying with me till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I can't wait to see you again.